Your beat is hard, your lyrics are fire, but if your vocals sound muddy, nobody's gonna feel it. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you exactly how to mix rap vocals, cut through the mix, hit hard, and sound professional, right in FL Studio Mobile. Let's get into it. I have a rap vocal that is very quiet. I downloaded this from Looperman.
Yo, I'm getting money on the road.
This is sounding a bit quiet, boxy, and lacking that professional quality. Add an analyzer to see where the frequencies are. So what we're going to do now is remove those boxy frequencies and let the clarity shine through. Add an equalizer. I will cut out the unnecessary frequencies from the vocals. I hear no vocals to the 200 Hz, so I will cut it to that point. I suggest you to use your ear rather than the visual. Find the boxy frequency and reduce it a little bit. I will find boxy frequency using bell curve method like shown in the video. Professionals use it all the time. Boxy or muddy frequencies typically live in the 200 Hz to 500 Hz range. If you find it, reduce it to -2 to -3 dB. Once the reduction is done, the next step is to boost for clarity. The 4 kHz to 12 kHz range is where vocal clarity and presence live. Boosting here brings out the crispness in your vocals. Set it to high self and increase it to +3 dB to +4 dB. Don't just copy these settings exactly. Every vocal is different, so experiment and find what works best for you. With the EQ done, the next step is making sure the vocals sit loud and consistent in the mix, and for that, we'll be using a compressor. Add a compressor. Compressor can be very confusing, but it is the most useful for vocals. If you are just starting or a beginner, copy these settings. Set release to 100 ms. Set attack to 10 ms. Set ratio to 4:1:1. First, reset the threshold, then slowly drag it down and stop once it reaches -6 decibels.
Glow, get in dough, you can't tell me shit. Get in the cash, you're gon' crash out. Get in the stacks, get the bands now. Get in the cash, you're gon' crash out. Get green the grass like a cash cow. You know I'm going to cash. Get in the cash, you're gon' crash out. Get in the stacks, get the bands now. Get in the cash.
Now you can see the compressor is doing its job. The vocal is sitting at a much more consistent level.
I'm staying up, this ain't no man down. I'm gonna go buy the whole damn town.
Let's give this vocal a slight delay effect.
These packs now, to keep it real, it's all facts now. My car too fast, you can't pass now. I'm gonna throw.
I'm going with a 1/1 delay time on this vocal. Pick whatever timing sounds good to you. Pull the feedback down so the vocal doesn't drown in the delay. We want it very subtle.
Get in the cash, you're gon' crash out. Get green the grass like a cash cow. Get in the cash, you're gon' crash out. Get in the stacks, get the bands now. Get in the cash, you're gon' crash out. You know I'm going to cash out. Till I go when I'm getting banned now. I'm staying up, this ain't no man down. I'm gonna go buy the
Alright, now for the final touch. It's time to bring in the reverb.
To keep it real, it's all facts now. My car too fast, you can't pass now.
Beginners often ruin their mix by adding too much reverb and losing clarity. We won't be making that mistake.
And I'm gonna throw my money.
Set DK to 0.8s.
You know I'm going.
Low cut at around 200 Hz and high cut at 5 kHz. Most importantly, turn the wet level down very low. We don't want too much reverb on it.
Get in the cash, you're gon' crash out. Get in the stacks, get the bands now. Get in the cash, you're gon' crash out. Get green the grass like a cash cow. Get in the cash, you're gon' crash.
That's it. The vocals are way better than they were before.
You know I'm going to cash out till I go when I'm getting banned now. I'm staying up, this ain't no man down. I'm gonna go buy the whole damn town. Gonna go spend the whole rack now. I'm gonna blow.
Mixing's done, but I've got one more trick up my sleeve. Stick around if you want to learn.
You know I'm going.
Clone the channel and cut the part you liked the most. Turn down the pitch -5 semitones and you get this cool voice effect. It's nothing much, but it will make a cool effect in the mix.
Get in the cash, you're gonna crash.
Let's hear the full mix.